Hope you guys could hear me okay.
Yes.
And today I am going to present improving wall-denied strength through molding simulation. And I am Casey from Moldex 3D Michigan office. Right, and here's our line of today's presentation. First, we are going to introduce what is wall-denied and what are the common solutions for wall line. And then we will have summary. If you want to bring wall-denied information such as fiber information, temperature, wall-denied angle, wall-denied temperature, we would have a FEA interface. I'll put those information to FEA package such as ANSYS, Abacus, or else Dyna. First, what is the wall line? So if you could see my cursor, here's the welding line, and here's the welding line, and also over here. And how would the welding line happen? So there are two types of wall line. One is called melt line, another one is called wall line. And then it will depend on the angle. How do we confirm the angle? And for example, the delta here is the angle. How we define it's a melt line or it is wall line. And over here you also could see some welding line, which is related to surface defects. So in a simulation, you will be able to, based on melt front time, to understanding your welding line angle. We also have welding line angle results through the simulation. So for example, on the top left corner here, this is a large welding line. Below, this is small welding line, which you could see the simulation on the right side versus top versus the bottom. I also would comment is if you are interested in seeing the welding line, there's a particle tracer result. I would recommend you to turn it on. However, downside is the calculation time will take longer, but it will help you to visualize welding line much easier and better. Another welding line strength is related to for example, if today your material is unfilled material, no carbon fiber or glass fiber, I would also, this is something we already have a paper which is published, is through the welding line temperature. As over here you can see the excess temperature. This is melt temperature. Y-axis is a degree of bonding. Once the temperature goes higher, and you can see the bonding of welding line will become better.